In this video, I will show you how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. So if I simply try to drag this video inside Google Drive, it will be uploaded. But the best way that I suggest is simply click on this plus icon on top left and create a new folder. And let's just say videos uploading. And once you enter the name, click on create and your folder should be created. Here, as you can see, double click on that to get inside your folder. And here you can upload the video. Now, once the video is uploaded, you can see it will show something like this. Now you can right click on that and click on share. Now make sure that not just copy this link, you're going to be needing to provide access as well. So click on the share option on top, and then you can change the restriction to anyone with link, so anyone with link can view the video. Now you need to copy the link and you can share it anywhere that you like. So once you paste the link, or anybody, if your team member pastes the link in the URL, he will be getting an access to that video just like this.